So now we're going to talk about manage user. This is how you add people to the Cinecore system. Now remember that you are charged per user per month, but we prorate that charge depending on when during the month that you added different users. So you can swell up during production and swell back down during post, and you're totally confident that as you add and then remove people from the system, you're only being charged for the people that are actively within the system currently at the time. So here we have our producers. We have all of these producers who are active right now. We can simply remove them or remove this entire department. There's always a warning, so you don't have to worry about accidentally removing that. But we can also add new users very simply. All we need is their first name and then their email address. Now this will send them an email with instructions to the website to download the software or to go to the App Store where they can download the iOS app and then sign up if they haven't already signed up, or they simply then log in and with the same email, and this is important, it has to be the same email address that they were invited to the show with their login. So and it will invite them into this specific department under this specific role that you have invited them to. We can create custom titles as well, and we can create additional titles. So if they're a writer-producer or a producer-director, we can add both titles. And what this does, since we're inviting them into the producers area, they will then have access to the producers file sharing. So this is how we invite them into this specific file sharing as well. So if you give them two roles, well then they'll have double access. They'll be allowed to view the producer's documents as well as the director's documents, if it's the case where you have a producer-director. So all of this is happening in the background. You don't need to worry about a thing. They will automatically get their file sharing access based off of how you invite them to the system, and they'll automatically get the email, and then when they log into Cinecore with this same email, they'll automatically be dropped into this department under these roles. So it's very, very simple. And then, you know, we realize that then bouncing out and going and editing their permissions after they join the show sometimes is a little bit of work. If you want to go ahead and edit their permissions as you add them to the show, you're more than welcome to. Make those changes while you're inviting them. So then you don't have to worry about it after that, and your permissions will already be set. But you can add new departments simply as well. So we can create custom departments also if you're working on a film that has you know, robotic units or anything that we haven't, you know, sort of predetermined here in the drop-down. You can create custom departments and add custom people into that as well. So it's completely flexible, it's completely scalable. You simply add the number of departments and add the number of people within that, and that will determine your monthly billing as well. So a lot's going on in the background. It's very, very simple and easy for you guys, just the way that we designed it. So enjoy.